This guy, what an idiot. This guy always a no-show. 6-year-old pervert can't keep his eyes off my breast, same with his mother. Looks nothing like his headshots. Oh, God. 3 sex changes in a year. No wonder I can't find what I'm looking for.
Excuse me? You didn't give me a chance. I barely got started.
Look at you. I know what I'm looking for and what I want. Something else.
Like what? Taller, blonder, shorter?
No.
Like what? I can dye my hair.
This film I'm casting, it's called A Roll in the Hay. The part that you'd be playing is a serious seductress. A real sophisticated woman, if you know what I mean. I don't mean to be insulting, dear, but you scream virgin. Next!